Millions of people don't know about this. Just mix gasoline with cement and styrofoam. It can save you money. Yes, you heard that right. So not many people know this secret trick. That's why watch this video to the end so you can learn this useful tip. Okay, let's jump into the first step. Here we have a container that already contains cement. First, we add gasoline, yeah guys. We pour it little by little while stirring. If it's still not thin enough, we can add more liquid. Then we stir the cement and gasoline mixture until it's completely blended. Okay, if the two mixtures are well combined and the texture is runny, like this. This is roughly the texture, yeah guys. After that, we move on to step 2. In step 2, we simply drop in several pieces of styrofoam one by one, yeah guys. Now here we add more pieces of the styrofoam into the cement and gasoline mixture until they melt and blend, and the styrofoam turns into a liquid form. Yeah guys. I'm using several pieces of styrofoam in the mix, so the final result will be thicker. Yeah guys. Okay, if those 3 ingredients are already evenly mixed and the texture is right and thick like this, and if there's still too much gasoline, we can remove a little. Okay, next we move on to step 3. In this step, we prepare a cup or an object made of plastic that's damaged or has a hole like this. But first, we sand the surface, yeah guys, to make it smoother and more even. We also sand the inside part as well. And don't forget to stick some tape on the inside so the inner surface will turn out smooth. Okay, after the surface of the cup is even, we apply or pour the mixture of the 3 ingredients onto the damaged or holed area. Yeah, guys. We spread it evenly and make sure the coating is tight and fully covered. Okay, once the damaged surface of the cup has been coated with the 3 ingredient mixture, it should look something like this, yeah guys. Then we just leave it to dry until it hardens. Here we wait for several hours or even days until it's completely dry. Okay, and here's the result, guys, after being dried for a few days. Now let's test it by pouring water into this cup, yeah guys. But first we remove the tape and then we just pour in the water. And look at the result. Wow, amazing. No more leaks and the cup is completely sealed. Okay, so the point of this video is that just by mixing cement with gasoline and styrofoam, it can become a strong and cost-saving adhesive for repairing cups or plastic materials like buckets and other items. You can even use and try it to patch up metal objects. And with this secret trick, you don't need to buy glue anymore to fix them. And that's it for this secret trick. Good luck trying it out and I hope it's useful. Thank you guys.